Standard 7, Subject Civics, Lesson number 2, Preamble to the Constitution. Question number 1, find the following words in the grid. 1. A sense of we feeling and empathy towards fellow citizens. Answer, fraternity. 2. A system in which sovereign power is in the hands of the people. Answer, democracy. 3. Introduction to the Constitution. Answer, preamble. 4. A system in which all religions are considered equal. Answer, secular. Question number 2. Answer the following questions. 1. What are the provisions in a secular constitution? Answer. The provisions in a secular constitution are: 1. There is no official religion of the state. 2. The citizens are given the freedom to follow their own religion. 3. The state does not discriminate between the citizens on the basis of religion. Question number 2. What is meant by adult franchise? Answer. Adult franchise means right to vote to every citizen who has completed the age of 18 years. Question number 3. What rights does economic justice ensure? Answer. 1. Economic justice ensures the right to a source of livelihood whereby one can look after oneself and one's family. 2. Provisions of right to means of livelihood would enable people to overcome poverty, hunger, malnourishment, and hunger death. Question 4. How will human dignity be established in a society? Answer. 1. Human dignity will be established by treating others with the same respect as we expect to be treated with respect by others. 2. When every individual respects another and honors their freedom and rights, dignity will be established in the society. Question number 3. How should we make use of our freedom? Write your views about it. Answer. 1. Freedom does not mean unrestrained behavior or license to do whatever we like. 2. We expect others to respect our freedom. We should respect the freedom of others as well. 3. We should accept reasonable restrictions on our freedom in the interest of national security, law and order, decency, and morality. Question number 4. Explain the following concepts. 1. Socialist state. Answer. A socialist state is such a state where the gap between the income and wealth of the rich and the poor is minimum. 2. The wealth resources of the country are owned by everyone, that is society. 3. It ensures that the concentration of wealth does not take place in the hands of a few people. Question number 2. Equality. Answer. 1. The preamble guarantees to every Indian citizen equality of status and equality of opportunity. 2. There will be no discrimination on the basis of caste, creed, race, sex, or place of birth. 3. Equality of status means to end the discrimination in terms of high, low, or superior, inferior. 4. Equality of opportunity means every individual will get equal opportunity for his her development. Question 3. Sovereign state. Answer. 1. With the end of the British rule, India became a sovereign state on the 15th August 1947. Now, India is no longer under the control of foreign power. 2. In such a state, the sovereignty rests with the people. They have the ultimate authority to govern themselves. 3. In practical terms, the people elect their government and grant them the right to exercise sovereign power on their behalf. 4. Thus, the Constitution reflects the principle of popular sovereignty and the government elected by the people makes laws on their behalf. Question number 4. Equality of opportunity. Answer. 1. Equality of opportunity means there will be no discrimination between individuals on the basis of caste, creed, race, sex, place of birth in the matter of public employment. 2. Every individual will have equal opportunity to develop without any discrimination. Question number 5. Make a list of the keywords in the preamble. Look for their meanings in a dictionary. Prepare a chart in the following way. Answer 1. Sovereign. Pronunciation sovereign. Dictionary meaning one possess or held to possess supreme political power or sovereignty. 2. Socialist. Pronunciation socialist. Dictionary meaning one who advocates or practices socialism, which state that the means of production, distribution, and exchange should be owned or regulated by the community as a whole. 3. Secular. Pronunciation secular. Dictionary meaning not pertaining to or connected with religion. 4. Democratic. Pronunciation democratic. Dictionary meaning relating to or supporting democracy or its principle. 5. Republic. Pronunciation republic. Dictionary meaning a state in which supreme power is held by the people and their elected representative and which has an elected or nominated president rather than a monarch. 6. Justice. Pronunciation justice. Dictionary meaning just behavior or treatment. 7. Liberty. Pronunciation liberty. Dictionary meaning the state of being free within society from oppressive restrictions imposed by authority on one's behavior or political views. 8. Equality. Pronunciation equality. Dictionary meaning the state of being equal, especially in status, rights, or opportunities. 9. Fraternity. Pronunciation fraternity. Dictionary meaning friendship and mutual support within a group. Like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Study everything. Thanks for watching video.